Hello, for Uber?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How's your day going?
Pretty good. Can you confirm your name with me?
Dylan?
Okay, perfect. Alright, where are you off to today?
I'm just going to the airport.
Oh, okay. You flying somewhere?
Yeah, I'm going to Aruba.
Oh, no way. That's exciting.
Yeah, I know. It's such an expensive trip, but luckily I'm saving money because I'm getting this ride for free.
Oh, is someone paying for your ride for you or something?
No, I'm using this new TikTok hack. It's like a new TikTok hack on how to get a free Uber ride.
TikTok hack?
Yeah, have you heard of it?
No.
It's so, like, everybody's doing it. Like, all you have to do is just rate your driver 1 star, and then you get the ride for free. They give you a refund.
What do you mean rate your driver 1
Yeah, I do
star?
it on DoorDash too. I just say, oh, they forgot like my ketchup, and then I just like, you know, or I'll take a bite out of it and I'll be like, oh, the burger came with a bite out of it. But I'm doing it on Uber too now. I just have to say something. As long as you just say something was wrong, usually they give you a refund.
No, you can't do that.
Why?
You can't do that because then, like, that's how people get fired and lose their jobs. Like, you can't give these false reports just so you can get your things for free.
Well, I mean, no offense, but you're an Uber driver. Maybe you should get a new job.
Well, this isn't my main job. This is just what I use to pay some extra bills.
All right, well, if you get fired, there's always Lyft. You can do Lyft.
Yeah, but you can't just rate people 1 star.
Yeah, I
when they
can.
don't deserve 1 star just so you can get your ride
I don't
for
support
free.
big corporations, so I support mom and pop shops.
Yeah, but this isn't about big corporations. This is about me and like
Uber,
each
you don't think
individual driver.
Uber is a publicly traded stock? I'm pretty sure I'm right on this one. I'm pretty sure I'm right.
No.
Yeah, it is. You can literally go buy Uber stock. It's a massive corporation. They make billions of dollars. You think they're gonna get upset with 1 Uber ride? No, probably not.
You know what? I'm pulling over. I'm pulling over.
Why are you pulling over?
You need to get out of my car. Right
Take
now.
me to my destination now.
I'm not taking you. If you're doing these, you do this.
I need to go to Aruba. Go to the airport.
No, you can get out and order a new Uber.
Are you serious?
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? You're trying to scam people to get a free ride from some TikTok hack.
It's literally trending, okay? Do you ever go on TikTok?
Yeah, I go on TikTok every day and I've never seen that. So clearly it's not trending and you just made it up so you can get a free ride.
Okay, well, if you ever type in how to get stuff for free, it'll pop up.
Maybe
I literally
you should
go
get
through
a job so you can actually afford to pay for an Uber ride.
Have you ever heard of the unemployment benefit scam too?
Oh my God.
You can literally get free unemployment benefits.
Wow.
Like you think I worked? You think I took time to work? I just sat on my couch and got everything for free.
You're bragging about being lazy?
It's not about being lazy, it's about being smart. All right?
To me, it sounds like being lazy and scamming, but okay.
Just take me to the airport, all right?
No, I'm
I got
not taking you. Get
my
out.
Southwest flight takes off in 23 minutes.
Wow, you can't even afford to take one of the nice airlines. You have to do Southwest.
Well, I'm gonna after the flight, I'm gonna complain and say that it was a bad flight, like with turbulence.
So this is what you do. You just complain about everything so you get it for free.
Yep. So can you take me now?
Get out.
I'll tip you like $1.
I ended the ride already. Get out.
Do you have any mints at least?
No.
Or any waters?
No.
Snacks?
Get out. Get out.
Well, turn the AC on.
No.